My name is Brian Panish, and I'm a partner in the law firm of Panish, Boyle, and Ravipudi. We practice in California and Nevada. The most important thing to me, and the thing that I love the most besides the trials, is the clients. And they come from all walks of life. I mean, I've represented famous celebrities to people that were homeless. I love talking to the clients and hearing their stories and trying to make a difference in their life. My goal in voir dire is to find the jurors that can sink my case. It's a deselection process. There are certain issues that I'm looking into that I know could be hurtful to my case. And if there's jurors that have personal experience in that, or just the background, experience, and mindset, and the DNA that's not good for my case, I want to find them. And I want to find the leaders of those type of people to make sure that you don't have one person that takes over the whole jury. I watch the jurors when they're not in the courtroom, when they're out in the hallway. Who's talking to whom? Who's leading the conversation? Who's sitting off by themselves? Tells you a lot about jurors. It's important, I think, to come out strong, to use most of your strong evidence in your opening statement. Once the jury's picked and the opening's given, I think the case is pretty much decided. So I like to be able to look right in the jurors' eyes, talk to them, tell the story about your case. And you always want to be telling a story and what your client's life was like, how they got here, what the defendants did, and how you go about compensating them. And then I said, so I've told you what we're going to prove. Now let me tell you what the defendant says they're going to prove. And I raise each one of their defenses. I get to frame it how I would decide, or how I would call it. And then I knock down each one before they get a chance to talk about it. The way I look at it, it's like a game and you're scoring points. Every time you put on a good witness, you're scoring. Every time you put on a bad witness, you give them an opportunity to score points. So I want to start in the beginning of the trial, scoring points, building credibility, getting ready for maybe some witnesses that aren't as strong, and really preparing for the cross. The direct exam, I like to tell it in a story way, is much harder than cross-examination. Jurors don't want to hear lawyers leading the witness, and I see it all the time. And I get the defense on that all the time for leading, because they don't know how to ask non-leading questions. And the jury wants to hear your client speaking, not you. And that takes a lot of time spent with your client, a lot of preparation and practice. You don't want to look rehearsed, but you want the client to be able to explain what they've been going through. It's also important to have surrounding witnesses and not have the plaintiff up there whining or complaining, and let other people do that for them. Cross-examination takes preparation and discipline, big time. My primary goal in closing is to arm or equip my jurors that are with me with the arguments and evidence to gather the other jurors and bring them along. And what I say is, what this is a reasoning process. As they say in the book of Isaiah, come, let us reason together. And I'm here to reason with you, to help you, so when you reason with these other jurors, you can come to a fair and just verdict. In this business, if you're not doing anything to get better, people are going to pass you up. Every day you have to do something to better yourself, make you a better lawyer, better person. And each and every day you can't rest on your laurels. The sharing and the training makes everybody better. What we do is hard. To be excellent or to be elite, it takes a lot more. It takes passion, it takes perseverance, and it means that you have to do tougher, better. You do hard, better. And that's one of our slogans in our firm. We do hard, better. Yeah, it's hard, but we're gonna do it better than they are. And if you have that mindset, we do hard, better, it's gonna work. And that's what's good, that everybody has a common goal here to share and to help everyone get better, because it benefits all of our clients.